So you can see here that I already code for the merge two sorted array into single array. So you can see I already code here. So I will explain briefly in every line in briefly. So what we are going to do in this code, that we are taking two sorted array and we are passing it into a function called a get sorted array, and this method will return a single sorted array that we are displaying element here. So at first this is a scanner object. This is simple for the getting user input. Second is just a statement to get elements. In this third line, this next line s dot next line will get a elements, that will be get a single string line. Okay, at first let's see its output, then easy to understand. As in first array I have taken 1 3 4 and 5, and in second array I have taken 2 4 6 and 8. That will be merged into a single sorted array, that is 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 and 8. You can see here are 4 is 2 times, so 4 is 2 times in our sorted array also. So at first this line will take a single line as a string, means 1 3 4 5, it will be considered as a single string line, and for that we are splitting this line into each that is in string array. For that, based on space, so two element will be splitted based on space. Okay, so for that each element will be considered here, that is a string element, but for the sorting purpose we need to convert it into integer array. So we have taken here int array 1, and its length will be same as the string array. So we are simply converting each element of string array into a int array. In the same way for this code is doing for the second array, and we are passing here two arrays in a get sorted method that will be return a single sorted array. We will display here. So let's see what is this method is doing. So we have created here a third array that is named array, and its length will be the addition of both arrays length, and in the first while loop each element of the array 1 and array 2's element, whatever will be the smallest element, that will be inserted into third array, that is ARR, and this loop will be terminated if i's length is less than ARR dot length. So until this loop will be execute. Once this loop will be failed, it means if i's value is equals to array 1th length or j's value is equals to array 2's length or it's greater than, then this loop will be terminated. But it may be the case that both arrays length will be different. So one array's elements are completely taken and it will be inserted into a third array. That time this loop automatically get terminated. But for the remaining, for the long array, so for that we have to also taken each element and we have to insert into the this third array. So for that we have created here two while loop also. If array 1's length is greater than array 2's length, then we will copy each element of this array 1's to we will insert into array. If array 2 is greater than array 1, so array 2's element will be copied into the or inserted into the this array. At the end we are returning here the third array, that is ARR, and we will display its element here. So that's it. So you can see here I was already code for the to merge a sorted array into a single array. Let's first we will execute this code too, and after that I will explain you what each line is doing and how the flow of this program. As you can see, I have already taken this example in last time, and for this Python code I have also taken the same example, the same elements for the array 1, same elements for the array 2, and the sorted array will be this, the same output. So let's try to understand what is the code. So code starts from here. So this single line of print function is getting our two array, and it is also sorting into the single array, and it is displaying all elements. How does it working? Here I have passed here get sorted array. It contains two sorted arrays, like this is our first array and this one is our second array. So that will be considered in this function, that is list1 and list2. How does this each line is working? So this input function is getting elements for the array 1. For that, for this line this complete line will be considered as a single string. So we are splitting this string into a string array or string list with respect of space. Okay, with the space we are splitting this list into the string. There is a string array or string list, but for the sorting purpose we need it int array. So we are here typecasting each and every element here as integer. Int of x means for each element from this string list will be converted into integer list. So this is for the first integer list, and this is second integer list. So that will be so on here. Consider list 1 and list 2. So we have to sort into the third list. So we have taken here list third as empty list at first. As same as Java code, we have taken here 3 while loops, first, second and third. In first while loop, we are comparing each and every element of the list 1 and list 2. Whatever is, it will be the smallest element that will be appended into the list 3. And if second element, if list 2's element is smaller than list 1's element, then list 2's element will be appended into list 3. Once this while loop get failed, means if one list element have already been completely been inserted into the list 3, then this loop will be terminated automatically. And even one list may have some elements, remaining elements. For that we have taken already 2 while loops. If remaining elements are in list 1, for that for each remaining all elements will be simply appended into list 3. Or if list 2 contains the remaining elements, so for that each elements will be appended into list 3. At the end, sorted list 3 will be returned. that will be printed here. So simple. Hey guys, if you did not understand anything, please write your comment or question in the comment section. I will read it and I will try to explain you again. Thank you. If you will like this video, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my Technical Learning Hub channel. Thank you.